Okay, this is Bill, and I'm at the Flanagan residence in Oak Lawn, and I'm trying to get an idea of what's going on with this chronic shower personal hand spray issue. It's got so bad that they leave it sitting in the shower base now because it just drips all night. And we've changed this cartridge at least once, maybe twice. But when you hang it up, after it's been laying on the ground, you get the initial drips, and this has not been turned on all day. It wasn't used all day by the Flanagans, and I did not turn it on. But I hope I can get this to happen again, because it was very unique, the way that this drip started when I picked it up the first time. I'm going to watch it for a minute here, and if it doesn't, I'm going to stop it, maybe try to pick it up again. But this should suffice as far as addressing the main problem, which is this thing just continues to drip, and it's been serviced several times with different cartridges, and we just can't get this thing to stop dripping. They've been patiently putting up with this for maybe 5 years now. I think it's slowing, so this is, yeah, it's happening again. There's this odd breathing that occurs where you can see I hope you can hear that, because there's little air bubbles coming out of most of the ports of the shower head as it snaps. And it'll do this and build up a drop right down near the bottom. I'm pretty sure you can see that with the glare, until that drop releases, but it's like a heartbeat. And then it released a couple drops. And this is the same pattern it did before, so I think it's going to start again, where you see bubbles coming out of them first, and then it starts like a heartbeat. And just a steady staccato as the next drip builds up. Anyways, this happens a couple or a few times. It's going now. And then after it does this on a couple cycles, it just starts dripping every second on the second. And it'll continue to do that throughout the day, throughout the night. So we have to find out what's going on with this. I hope that those bubbles show up like they are now. It's like breathing. Until the drip releases. Very odd. Yep, and then it drips. 2 drips, and now it's going to just drip, continue to drip. It went through 2 cycles. I think that's the same it did when I first got here. 2 cycles of that, releasing a little bit of water when it's picked up, starts this little ticking or breathing or heartbeat as the drip builds up from where it's dropping now. It does it for like 10 seconds or 15 seconds, drops a drop, then it did it for like 30 or 40 seconds, dropped a drop. Well, this is all self-explanatory. It's just what happened on the video. Alright, that's enough for now. I'll edit this down for time.
Okay. Yeah, and there is another shower head.